You don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or hours of free time to stay fit. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple exercises you can do at home to stay strong, healthy, and active. These exercises are beginner-friendly, require no equipment, and can be done right in your living room. Let's get started. First exercise, squats. Squats strengthen your legs, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back like you're sitting in a chair, then stand back up. Keep your chest tall and your weight on your heels. Aim for 12 to 15 reps. Second exercise, push-ups. Push-ups build strength in your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels as you lower your chest toward the floor and push back up. If this feels too hard, you can do push-ups on your knees or against a wall. Try 8 to 12 reps. Third exercise, the plank. The plank is one of the best exercises for your core. Rest on your forearms and toes, keep your body straight, and squeeze your abs. Don't let your hips sag or rise too high. Hold this position for 20 to 60 seconds. Fourth exercise, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are great for cardio and warming up the entire body. Jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then return to the starting position. Move at a pace that feels comfortable. Continue for 30 to 60 seconds. Fifth exercise, lunges. Lunges strengthen your legs, glutes, and improve balance. Step 1 foot forward and lower your body until both knees are bent, then push back to the starting position. Switch legs and repeat. Aim for 10 reps on each leg. Sixth exercise, glute bridges. Glute bridges activate your glutes and support your lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling and squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower back down slowly. Do 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 7th, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers combine cardio and core training. Start in a plank position and bring one knee toward your chest, then switch legs quickly. You can go fast or slow depending on your fitness level. Continue for 30 to 45 seconds. You can combine all 7 exercises into a simple 15-minute home workout. Complete each exercise one after the other, then rest and repeat the circuit 2 to 3 times. Doing these exercises consistently can help build strength, burn fat, improve balance, and keep you feeling energized every day. If you found this workout helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to stay fit at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next workout.